What up? This Dillio coming to you live from the studio. We're going to do another remake. It's been a while since I did it, so we're back again. This one I'm going to do Scarface, I Seen a Man Die. Very chilling record right there. And I felt like it would be a good way to start kind of dipping my toes back into the remakes. Of course, you know, you guys will let me know, and the views will let me know, and the comments will let me know if I should start doing remakes again. And we're just going to start right here with something simple and easy to do. And it's going to be good. So let's go right into it. So what I'm going to do is start off with the Rhodes again, like this. And we're going to turn off quantization so I can kind of get that good sound in there. Like this. So we got that in there, and I'm feeling like doing some of the drums right there on that part. So I got some drum sounds already set up. And we're just going to work with that and just build on it. But I want to make sure I got my quantize turned on, so we're going to turn my quantization on. We got a little bit of swing applied to it, too, at about 65. Like this. And it's feeling a little bit fast. I think the original tempo is about 80. There we go. And we just keep adding to the drums. Add some more to it with the layers, like this. 808. Some of those sounds in there. And we're just kind of filling it out. And we're just going to add some hi-hat to it like this. All right. Let's add the bassline next. All right, now we're going to add the sound of the hood by this synthesizer line. So we're going to turn up the quantize so I kind of can solo on it. Let's try it. And I got a note missed right there. We could correct that by going into the piano roll and finding that note if I can find it. There we go. And I remember there being like a guitar going with that line. So we're going to find that guitar sound. I'm going to bring the quantize back a little bit. and that was Scarface. I Seen a Man Die. If you're interested about the sounds that I use, make sure you go to my website, and I'll include a link of everything I use, the sounds I used on there, if you want more details about how this remake was made. So definitely let me know if you want to see more remakes. Like I said, the comments and the view count will let me know if there's something I should do again. You guys let me know by the numbers and by the comments. Um, that's sort of what it is right there. And I really appreciate everybody for coming through. Check out this video. I'm Dillio. You watch the Dillio T2K YouTube channel. Make sure you visit DillioT2K.com. And oh yeah, don't be afraid to put in your requests. I definitely want to see what you guys think, and also let me know what you like, what you don't like, and if I see a pattern of what people like, and if it's something I'd like to do myself, maybe we can come to a middle ground on another remake. But I got some more stuff in the works for some remakes, some really serious stuff, some NJ stuff that we're going to do. But like I said, the view count, the comments will let me know. The feedback will definitely let me know if I should continue to do this again. Let me know. All right, I'm out. Peace.